2008 Ram 1500 pickup, 3.7 V6 Magnum, and I want to show you, this is courtesy of the Chrysler. This connector here is, this truck is also manual transmission, and this is the C-3 connector and the ECM PCM, same thing. The pin number 20 is dark blue and brown, and the pin 29 is dark blue and white. And when you call out a computer, you want to be 100% sure that is not wiring problem, that is control problem. Okay, this time I'm using the VERUS, and I'm gonna go to component, US domestic. We're gonna go to Dodge 2008, and it's 1500. It's a 3.7. Okay. Fuel injection, EVAP system, PERC solenoid. And guys, let me see if you can read that. But what it says, and I'm gonna read it for you. Sorry for the angle on the camera. Let's see. Alright. Sorry for the angle on the camera, but it says EVAP solenoid are pulse width modulated instead of duty cycle. The PCM controls the current flow to normally close solenoid, to pull open the valve, and the PERC canister as needed. Power and ground are both supplied by the PCM. And I did the bidirectional, guys. We sending the command, the power is getting to the solenoid, but the computer is not grounding the solenoid. Okay guys, when you call out a computer, you want to be 100 or maybe more than 100% sure what is when you do that call. So see if I can show it. That's my dark blue and white wire, this one here. The other one is the dark blue, that one there, and the brown trace. Okay, I don't know if you can see that trace good. So last I check the I'm gonna check the wire integrity, and I'm gonna use this tool here made by Power Pro. And if you can see here, the tool, non-communication and the circuit, it will be 1 kilo ohm, and then low 10 ohms and high 10 ohms to 1 kilo ohm. And this work in 6 and 24 volts. Right, so basically what I'm gonna do here is touch one end of the wire with the, I'm gonna disconnect the connector. You need a tool like this. The connector is the last one, is the C-3 connector. This one is C1, C2, and then the C-3. And you need a hook like this to disconnect the connector. Let's see if I can. you pull it back, and then I got the switch in off position, guys. You disconnect the harness, and to make sure you got the right connection here. You see my dark blue and brown trace is the one I touch in there, and the blue and white is this guy here, the dark blue with white trace. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the dark blue and brown wire, which is pin 29, and by the connector it says it's number 1, so we got 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Let's see. It's got this one here. So is the 29 is this one? Okay. So my 29 is this guy. And you can see it here. You can see it here that it says from 1 to 10 and then 29 to 38 pins. So my 20, if this is my 29, this is my 28. Should be this guy here, my number 20. So that is let me change the okay, hopefully you can see it there. Basically I cannot see nothing here with the glare, but now I am in my dark blue and white trace, and this is the 29 here, and the companion here is the 20. And you see we got good wire integrity here. Now if this wire is touching with another wire in this connector, it should have a contact, and I touching this here, I'm not pushing nothing down. And guys, when I call a computer, I want to be sure, 100% sure, and this truck needs a computer. I follow all these steps here, and the wire integrity is good. The computer control is not good, and I got everything disconnected from the sensor here. So this guy needs a computer, no doubt about it. Okay, final thoughts about this car, and this is how they want to read the connectors in this car. And this final terminal here where I got my thumb is the 29, and the one and the angle and the top of it is the 20. So the 29 is the bottom one, this one the bottom one, and this one in the top, and this angle here is the 20. And final thoughts about this thing: when you call a computer, you gotta make sure. I know the driver is supposed to supply ground, is not doing that. So this is ground and power is supplied by the ECM or the PCM, power control module. And the condition of this truck is a 2008, and you got a P0443, which is a EVAP circuit problem. And you can erase this code, and immediately when you erase the code come back again as a hard code. That's considered as a hard code when a code you erase and come right back again seconds away from you delete the DTC, the diagnostic trouble code. That's considered a hard code, and that is the condition in this truck. It's a manual transmission. It's a 2008, and it's a Dodge Ram with a 3.7 liter, and this guy needs a computer. The driver is gone. Thank you guys for watching.